He stands still while the storm rolls in, eyes full of stories soaked in sin. Every drop of truth he won't deny, but the rain doesn't ask why. Leather worn like a battle cry, hands in pockets, head held high, a quiet heart beneath the sky. Still the rain doesn't ask why. It just falls.